Hey everyone, it's Jonathan here, founder of Driving Academy, and in today's video we're going to be answering the very specific question, can immigrants get a CDL license? And if you're an immigrant living in the US and wondering whether you can become a truck driver, the answer might surprise you. Because yes, you absolutely can. In fact, tens of thousands already have, but it all depends on a few specific rules and you need to know them before you actually get started. Let's break down exactly how it works and how you can get started. First, what's a CDL? A commercial driver's license. It's required if you want to drive large trucks, buses, or commercial vehicles in the US. And if you want a career in trucking, this is where it starts. Now the big question, can immigrants actually get a CDL? Yes, 100%, but only if you meet a few key requirements. To get a CDL, you must be in the US legally. That includes green card holders, temporary visa holders, and anyone with a valid work permit or permanent residency. In short, you need to have a social security number and the ability to work in this country. If you're undocumented, you can't apply for a CDL, period. It's not a judgment, it's just the law. Every state's a little different, but most states actually require a valid social security number, valid driver's license, which means you have to be able to drive a car in this country already. You must be at least 18 years of age or older, healthy enough to pass a DOT physical. You'll be applying through your own state DMV, so be sure to check the exact requirements where you live. So why are so many truckers immigrants? Simple, the industry needs drivers badly. With many US-born drivers retiring or avoiding the job, immigrants are stepping it up. As of 2017, 16% of all US truckers were actually foreign-born. In New Jersey alone, that number is 35%. They're hardworking, they're consistent, and trucking pays well, with salaries about $75,000 per year or more, with no degree required, just skill, training, and dedication. Now let's take you through the exact step-by-step process on how to get your CDL. Step 1, meet the eligibility rules. You'll need legal status and proper ID. Step 2, choose your license class. Class A for tractor trailers and heavy combination vehicles, or Class B for things like box trucks, buses, and dump trucks. And step 3, pass your written test to get your CLP, which is your commercial learner's permit. You'll need it before you can actually train behind the wheel. Some states even offer written tests in Spanish or other languages as well. But hazmat test, pre-trip inspection, and road test must be done in English. Step 4, complete the ELDT training. This is the entry-level driver training required by federal law. At Driving Academy, we teach both English and Spanish and work with students from over 50 different countries. Step 5, pass your CDL road test. That includes pre-trip inspection, parking maneuvers, and rural road CDL driving. Step 6, get your CDL, pass the test, and you're in. Let's talk about language requirements. While the written test may be available in Spanish, your road test and pre-trip inspection must be done in English. That's a federal rule with no exceptions. Why? Because truck drivers actually need to communicate with law enforcement, dispatch, and other drivers on the road. At Driving Academy, we help make things even easier with bilingual instructors, a simplified training program that actually works, and extra support for non-native English speakers as well. And if you want to know why those actual language requirements are in place, we have a whole video that details that right over here. So can undocumented immigrants actually get a CDL license? Fortunately for you, the answer is no. Because if you actually have a social security number and you're legally able to work in this country, that opens you up to an amazing industry to make a lot of money in trucking. Some states may allow undocumented immigrants to actually get a regular driver's license, but not a commercial one, because that's controlled on the federal level. There are some exceptions. Mexican and Canadian CDL holders can legally drive in the US, but they actually have to drive right back out. They can't be making too many stops inside there. Some workers on a temporary visa might actually be eligible as well. And in rare cases, the FMCSA may issue a special waiver, but for most people, legal presence is just step number 1. So here's the bottom line. So if you're an immigrant and you want to become a truck driver in the US, the opportunity is real, but you've got to do it the right way. At Driving Academy, we've helped hundreds of students from around the world who've come to our school to get them trained and pass their exams to start their trucking career and ultimately get themselves on the road to freedom. We offer permit prep, behind the wheel training, bilingual instruction, and lifetime job placement assistance. So if you're ready to start your journey, we are ready to help you. Your road to freedom starts here. So what are you waiting for? Click on the link, check out our website, cdldrivingacademy.com, and I can't wait to help you get on the road to freedom today. Hey, thanks so much for watching this video. If you want to get your CDL license, you know where to go. Check out our website, cdldrivingacademy.com, right over there. And if you like this video, you'll definitely like this video right over here. So make sure you check that out. But before anything else, make sure you subscribe. And I'll see you soon.